And you have the same type of analysis for companies. Like maybe I want to look at what is Aris doing in this market or in any other markets. So I have an analysis the same. Their contact points, their addresses, phone numbers that we found in public sources. This is what it's published in the public procurement portals. So I have the contact points here. I have the business. What are they selling? From where are they delivering? So mostly Luxembourg and Greece. And what services they are delivering, but also their market. Their market meaning best suppliers, the network of best clients, sorry, the network of the clients, relations between them, the chart view or the data view of their customers. Every blue text is a link to drill down to more details. Like I want 6 contracts at the European Parliament, one click, you see them. Going to the type of customers they have, their activities, the geographic regions of the customers, and you have 8-9 years of history of number and values of customers. So this was filtered by Luxembourg, so that's why we were seeing only Luxembourg. But let's put the whole of Europe, and then you see that they are doing a lot of business in Luxembourg, but also in Belgium, France, Netherlands, Germany, everywhere. Also, you can go to analyze the partnerships of Aris, for instance. This is also filtered by Luxembourg. So you see they have 3 contracts with Accenture, one click. This is the list of the 3 contracts. 1 contract with VAS, one click. That's the 1 contract for the Parliament. So this is the history of partnerships for 9 years of cleaned up data all over Europe. The network graph of partnerships and the partnerships between the partners. We display by default 3 layers, 3 levels, but you can change the parameters. This is the map of the partners and the history with each of the partners. And again, what are the 3 contracts with OTE? Click, these are the 3 contracts. It's 3 lots in one tender probably. And going back, what we do, going back to our tender, right? So we were looking at portal managed services. We also, and besides the technical context, which I didn't finish actually, technical context, I was looking at this map, right? Commercial context, I was looking at this map. I have here links to the authority profiles. I can look at the lists of contract awards, previous contract awards, prior notices, renewals. I already talked about all this. I can go to winners of similar contracts. This is relevant to this tender, the geographic regions of suppliers for this particular tender. And the list of relevant previous projects for this particular tender. I can even go for the European Commission to look at the analysis of spending payments specific contracts from the DG Budget's financial accounting records. So to continue, what we do also is that we downloaded all the tender documents. They are here, right? So you have links to documents on the EU funding portal, but you also have the documents and the clarification questions in Hermix itself, and you can monitor for new files, new clarifications directly with Hermix. You receive an email saying there's a new clarification or the deadline changed, as it actually did, and it happens so often.